Hi everyone, Tammy Homegardner here, and for those of you who don't know me, I am a job search coach, a Forbes editor, and a best-selling author. And I'm here today to talk to you about your job search. Most of the people who contact me are frustrated, they are just struggling with the job search today, and that's understandable. It's tough out there, and the only way that you're going to succeed in today's job search is if you understand the job search and you're putting your efforts toward the right things so that you can get that dream job. Now, the thing that I want to talk to you about today is LinkedIn. So many people that I work with or people that ask me questions ask me if LinkedIn is really necessary. They don't believe that LinkedIn works or that it's helping them. And I'm here to tell you today that LinkedIn is very, very important in your job search. And we're going to get to the why on that. But first, I want to let you know the reason that most people think that LinkedIn is not a necessary tool in their job search is simply because they don't understand it. LinkedIn is a little more complicated than some of the other social media out there because it's a professional platform. It's not too hard for anyone to learn. It's just people don't take the time to learn it. They don't understand it. And then, of course, it doesn't work for them. So I can see where their frustration comes in, but you need to have a LinkedIn profile in today's job search. One of the things that I am told, and in my profession, I literally talk to hundreds and hundreds of recruiters, hiring managers, etc. And I know that before they will hire someone, they will look to see if they have a LinkedIn profile. Actually, the website jobfight.com just put out a survey last year that said that 93% of all recruiters and hiring managers will look to see if a potential candidate has a LinkedIn profile before they will ever hire them. And one of the reasons that that's so important to them is because it shows them that you are social media savvy. Oh, that's my dog there. Hi, Kramer. Sorry about that. It shows that you're social media savvy, that you understand today's internet, you understand today's technology, and that you're up on what it takes today to do a current job search. So the first point that I'm making today is you have to have a LinkedIn profile. And if you don't, you just want to go to linkedin.com and just go ahead and sign up for that profile. Now, the next thing about LinkedIn is that you need to have a complete profile. So you need to go through and fill out all of the sections of the LinkedIn profile. And you can do that by starting at the top and just following down and filling out all of the sections of the profile. And you do that to the best of your ability. So then what you want to do is you want to go back and you want to make sure that you have the best keywords for your job industry inside of that profile, because that is how you're going to be found, number one, on LinkedIn. So a lot of people will say to me, what are the right keywords? How do I find these keywords? How do I know which ones are the right ones? Which ones are the ones that people are looking at? Well, if you want to learn how to find the exact keywords that you should be using for your personal job search, then you just need to join me on my free webinar presentation. And you can sign up for that right now by just clicking on the button below, or you can go to careerhelptoday.com to register. Again, it's a free webinar. It is packed with tips about today's job search and what you need to do to succeed. I hope to see you there. Have a great day.